Essentially, the service resumption plan is split into 4 phases. Phase 1, as I mentioned, is the resumption of everyday health services, as well as the expansion of surgeries and diagnostic imaging. Phase 2 is the SHA-operated specialty clinic expansion of service resumption. Phase 3 is a further expansion of the everyday services, where Phase 4 will see a return to a resumption of services to a quote-unquote normal situation. There are very many people who are waiting for elective procedures, and there's a wide range of those. I mean, just to name a few, so people are waiting for hip replacements, knee replacements, those kind of non-urgent surgical cases, but that actually bring a lot of discomfort to people. So those are sort of important, not necessarily emergent cases. And it really talks to those cases as well as everything else in the system that's not being ramped up through the first 3 phases. It's a return, as we mentioned, to a kind of normal, but really a new normal.